Jefferson. WWG53.
Shit! Alert! 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 Alert!
Look at her. She's right in the middle of the carpet.
Afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s.
Back!
Come here, Biz. Biscuit. Come here, Biz.
Shut up!
Come on.
Take them! Oh my god.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Clarion, Forest, and Jefferson. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Jefferson, Pennsylvania County in west central Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Milangville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clarion, Milangville, Strattonville, Shippensville, Leeper, Kellettsville, Fisher, Freeburg, Cook Forest State Park, Clarendon, and Clear Creek State Park. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Weather.